Hey there, I'm Ryan, that compressor guy. Today, I've got a new video for you. This one on the proper installation of coalescing elements. What is a coalescing element? Well, every screw compressor unit has an oil separator. The coalescing element is the final stage in the oil separation process. It's important to do this correctly so that you don't get an early failure or an improper seal and installation that will cause oil losses. In this video, I have Daniel Gonzalez, Vilter's Field Service Supervisor, showing us how to do a proper changeover, or installation rather, of a coalescing element.
The Vilter coalescing element is open on both ends and it uses O-rings to seal the element. One end has a bracket inside to center the outboard end. Daniel is using a piece of tubing to help guide the coalescing element over the anchor rod and into place. He'll then remove the piece of tubing and push the rod through the centering bracket in the element. He'll then position the element over the standpipe on the separator wall, and then place the cover plate onto the end of the element, install a washer, and then place the first nut onto the assembly. After hand tightening the first nut, it is important to properly torque the rod assembly. The first nut gets torqued to 20 to 25 foot-pounds. It is important that you do not over-tighten this nut, as it can damage the coalescing element. Next, place the second nut onto the rod. Before setting the second nut, we'll use a backing wrench to hold the first nut into position while tightening the second nut to lock and secure the entire assembly in place. And that is how to install a coalescing element.
I hope you found that video helpful. Remember, coalescing elements, they need to be changed out approximately every 30,000 hours. That, of course, is going to depend on your gas medium and how clean your system is. Also, how well you take care of your compressor unit. Keeping up on preventative maintenance is the best way to extend the life of any system component. Well, until next time, thank you for watching.